In this video, we will go through the steps to align page numbers properly in a table of contents in Microsoft Word. If your table of contents has misaligned page numbers, this method will fix it. First, we need to check the settings of the table of contents. To do this, go to the top menu and click on the References tab. Look for the Table of Contents button and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Custom Table of Contents. A new window will appear with different customization options. Here, locate the checkbox that says Right Align Page Numbers. If this box is not checked, click on it to enable right alignment for the page numbers. After making sure it is checked, click the OK button. A prompt may appear asking if you want to replace the existing table of contents. Click OK again to confirm the changes. At this point, the page numbers in the table of contents should be properly aligned to the right. However, if the numbers are still not aligned as expected, there is another method to adjust them manually. To do this, go to the top menu and click on the View tab. In this tab, check if the ruler option is enabled. If it is not, click on it to make the ruler visible. Now, click anywhere inside the table of contents where the misaligned numbers appear. Look at the ruler at the top of the page. You will see a black mirrored L shape on the ruler, which represents the tab stop controlling the alignment of the page numbers. Click and drag this L shape towards the right page margin. This will shift all the page numbers in the table of contents to the correct alignment. Once you have positioned the tab stop correctly, check if the numbers are now properly aligned. If necessary, adjust the tab stop slightly until everything looks right. After making these changes, save your document to keep the new formatting. This method ensures that your table of contents looks neat and professional, with all page numbers aligned correctly to the right.